Begin by sitting in a comfortable position with your spine straight and your shoulders back. Allow your heart and chest to be open and allow your palms to gently rest on your lap. When you feel ready, slowly close your eyes. Allow your awareness to enter your breath. Now take a deep breath in with your nose and exhale with your mouth. Allow your awareness to focus on your breath. Notice how your breath feels as it enters and exits your body. Notice how, when you breathe in, the air feels cold. And notice how, when you breathe out, the breath feels warm. Focus on your breath, as it is the only thing that currently matters. This present moment is the only thing that currently matters. Notice how your body feels when you engage in your breathing. Notice how this process happens naturally throughout your life. Your heartbeat, your breath takes care of itself. Notice how your lungs expand. Notice how you can hear your heartbeat. Appreciate this breath. Appreciate this air. Feel grateful that your breath is always working to serve you. It is always working on your behalf. Now is your chance to watch it and to observe it gently as it flows in and out of your beautiful body. On your next inhale, become more intentional with your breath, allowing your stomach to expand out as far as possible, breathing in as much air as possible. And when you exhale, contract your body, releasing all of the breath back into the atmosphere. Find the pace that is comfortable for you. If you feel like your mind is wandering, that's completely okay. This is one of the greatest ways to clear your mind, to focus on your breath and to let go of the thoughts as they enter your mind. Focus on your breath, making sure that all of your inhales are equal in length as your exhales. Do this through feeling. Do this through intuition. This is the only moment that matters. You matter, and this present moment matters. Thoughts, concerns, and fears have no place in your life. You are powerful, you are conscious, and you are aware. Don't be attached to the thoughts that enter your mind. Allow them to pass you. They are not as important as your awareness. Tell yourself that you are not attached to these thoughts and that you are too powerful to be distracted from the present moment. The longer you sit in stillness while maintaining awareness on your breath, the more clear your mind will become. There's nothing more you need to do. You are powerful, and this is your life. Being aware of your breath is your only responsibility right now. As you clear your mind, you may feel your shoulders getting lighter, your body getting lighter. This is because you are rising your vibrations. You are rising your frequencies. You are now present and in tune with the universe. With any thoughts that enter your mind, just let them pass and return your focus to your breathing. As you are ready to come out of this meditation practice, slow your breathing down and bring your awareness back into your body. Notice how much lighter you feel, how much happier you are. and how much more clear your mind is. Your body is not full of the atmosphere, and it is empty of worry, stress, and burdens. Move your toes and your fingers and roll your shoulders to bring circulation back into your body. And in your mind, thank yourself for being so peaceful, and remind yourself that you have generated this peace and that you are powerful enough to always generate this peace. And remind yourself that you are powerful enough to always maintain a calm mind. Gently open your eyes and view the world with a more clear mind and with a more peaceful mind than you had before you started. Thank you.